Hello students, welcome to the session on computer networks. In our previous lecture, we have discussed the techniques about your error detection. There we have seen VRC, vertical redundancy check, and second one is longitudinal redundancy check, and third one is check. I hope all these three techniques are clear to you. Now we are going to see one more important technique which is very important for your theoretical exam as well as sometimes in our competitive examinations also we will be receiving the questions on cyclic redundancy check, that is CRC. So in this particular technique what we are going to do is when we are transmitting the data from one location to other location, one system to other system, we will be using device which is common in sender and receiver side. So whatever the message that we want to transfer from the sender, that particular message will be divided with the device. Okay, whatever the remaining part, reminder it is right now, those reminders will be added to your original message so that you will be forwarding the original message along with your reminder. That reminder is nothing but your CRC. Now coming to your next part, when we are dividing the original message with the divisor, whenever your question comes into the competitive examinations, they will be giving you the original message that they want to send and they will be giving the divisor which is common for you and receiver. So this divisor will be used in order to divide this particular original message. But when we want to divide that particular original message, we need to have the exclusive OR knowledge. When we are having binary values, we will be having zeros and ones. Now consider this table. When we are considering this table, we will be having two values like zeros and ones. When we are having common values at the both sides, we will be not having any result like 0 0. When we are having 0 0, it will be represented with 0 only. When we are having 1 1, it will be represented with 0 only. But when we are having different values at both sides, it will be representing that as an output, that is 1. Okay, 1 0 will gives us 1 and 0 1 will gives us 1. But in case of 0 0, it will be written 0 and 1 1 also it will be written in 0. This is very important part now. Why? Because when we are performing division operation, we will be performing the exclusive OR operation between the bits, binary level bits, I think. Okay, and the steps that we need to follow in case of CRC will be having like this. Find the length of the given divisor. That is, the divisor is this. What was the divisor? Divisor will be common for sender and receiver. N number of bits. Consider n number of bits are there in your divisor. For example, in this we have given 4. Okay, this is the question that I have written it from your examinations, competitive examinations. They have given message and they have given some divisor. So consider n number of bits are there in divisor. Append n minus 1 bits to original message. This is the original message. Then you need to append the number of zeros into your message. How many bits? N minus 1. For this example, we are having 4 number of bits in this divisor. So n minus 1 will become 0. 0 0 0 will be added to your message. After adding it, perform the binary division operation. Perform the division operator with the division operation with the divisor. And whatever the reminder, at last will be reminder, that will be called as your CRC, cyclic redundancy check. By the theoretical part, you people will be getting few knowledge only, but go for the example so that it will be clear to you. Just do remember this table now. Whenever you are performing A exclusive OR, D. Then you people will be having values as one and we are having different values in both. When you are having the same values, you people will be written in 0. Okay. Now I go for the example that I have taken. I hope it is visible to you people here. Right? I will erase from this. Now see, the original message that he has given is 100 100. So consider we need to divide this. I will be writing the quotient over here. So the given divisor is 1 1 0 1. Okay. Now see, I need to find the length of the divisor. That is n. 1 2 3 4. 4 numbers are there. minus 1 bits, means to say that 4 minus 1 will gives us 3. So I will be appending 3 zeros over here. Sorry. And then I will start division. Ones are, I will be getting 1 1 0 1. This ones are will gives us this. And now see, as I have taken the table, similar values gives us 0, leave this, and different values gives us 1. 1 1 will return as 0, 0 0 will return as 0, and 0 1 will return as 1, and 1 1 will return as 0. As it is 0, leave that. Okay. Now take this next one, that is 0. Ones are, again go for ones are 1 1 0 1. Then same values will return as 0, leave this, and 0 1 will return as 1, and 0 0 will return as 0, 0 1 will return as 1. Now here I will go with this value, that is 0. Now again ones are 1 1 0 1. Now again I will go for this, again same value will return as 0. Now I will go for 1, and 1 0 will return as 1, 0 1 will return as 1. Now again I will go for the same thing, but I will be adding 0 over here. Now again ones are, I will be having 1 1 0 1. See here as it gives 0, I will be leaving it, but the next one is also giving 0. 1 0 will return as 1, and 0 1 will return as 1. As it is starting with the 0, I will be adding this 0 to here, that is 0, but in order to access the values, again I need to go for 0. Again it will be returning as the same thing, 1 1, that is 1 1 0 1, and I will be adding one more 0, that is 1, and I will be adding one more 0 over here, that is 0. And again finally I will be dividing with this 1 1 1 0 1. Finally I will be getting the result as 0 0 1 1 will return as 0, 1 1 will return as 0, and 0 0 will return as 1, and 0 1 will 0 0 will return as 0, and 0 1 will return as 1. See, final result is, if you are confusing in this, just I will erase this for you people. Until this it's okay, I think so, right? When it is written in 2 zeros, when it is written in 2 zeros, I am taking 0 1 0. Okay. When I am adding this, this has been added over here, this has been added over here, this has been added over here, and I need to add this 0 here. So as it is beginning with 0, I need to go for this 0. 0 will give us all zeros only. Okay. So again I will be getting the same result. So again I need to add one more 0 over here. Again I need to go for 1. 1 will return as 1 1 0 1. See here I made some mistake. 0 1 returns as 1. So 1 1. Here it is 1 1. So I will be going for what? The final result will be 1 1 will return as 0, and 1 1 will return as 0, and 0 0 will return as 0, and 0 1 will return as 1. Whatever the appended values are there now, I will be replacing them by using this CRC. This is the CRC. The 0 0 0 and 1 are the CRC. But in case of our original message, we have added 3 bits. Those 3 bits will be taken from the CRC. So along with the original message, what is the original message? 1 0 0 1 0 0. What is the redundant, the cyclic redundant step? That is 0 0 1. I will remove this 3 zeros and I will be adding this 0 0. And what we will be doing at the receiver side, that we are going to see in our next lecture.